60,000 lovers and followers and players of Irish traditional music arrive here in Listowel, County Kerry. The big annual traditional music festival begins, and the teeming crowds of all ages and all countries are on a sleepless spree of music making, drinking and tune swapping. They come, fans of folk and followers of festivals, complete with knapsacks, cooking gear and musical instruments. Listowel, with an ear for a tune and an eye for a bit of variety, welcomes everyone. From Saturday noon to early Monday, all are at home here. Many young musicians are here, first time out with the tin whistle in the inside pocket, hoping for an audience, a prize in a competition, or maybe even a niche in the annals of Irish music. And as the accents of 20 different countries blend with the colourful lilt of Kerry, this might well be called international rather than national Fleadh 73. Where are you from yourself?
I'm from Germany.
From San Francisco, California.
From Switzerland. Israel.
I live in West Roxbury, Massachusetts.
Well, I happen to be local and I live near Listowel.
We came here just for the music, because we love Irish music. That's the only reason we came here.
I think it's great.
It's different. It's different, but for me it's very nice. And for my friends, but on France too. Because here, the music is in the street, on the square, in Loire and Brittany, it's in the theaters.
It's a big public party.
The traditional music is beautiful and I've never heard any before, so I really enjoyed that very much.
Beautiful and clean and all blagard and no nothing.
I can't say with words.
Tell me, is the music as good now as it has been other years?
The music is just as good.
Is it?
I'd say it is.
Yeah.
Now we're standard music already.
from London. What brings you in here?
Oh, Tony. You must support the flying if we're finished inside and carry it. That's definitely.
Are you carrying man yourself, Con?
Proud of it. Right. Half starving, kind of a village, 8 miles outside Bristol. Brosnan.
Brosnan. But the last time I met you now was in London.
Yes, in the Balloon Tavern.
That's where you live?
That's my pub.
And a very famous pub it is too.
Not too bad.
How long are you staying, Con?
Maybe a couple of weeks.
What do you think of the plan?
Powerful.
As good as other years?
And Cronin was up there, another journeyman playing some awful stuff. The best fiddle player inside this town.
I'm drunk now. Is that
You're not, you're not. Well, tell me, what do you think of the music at the Fleadh, Paddy?
Sure, the Fleadh is great.
Are you happy with the music?
I love Ireland anyway. I'm coming back.
What about all these guitar players now that you've heard strumming various songs?
They're good, but the music, I like the music. You know, I like the music. I put the music in there like all cool.
Very good, Paddy. That's great.
It's great to meet you, my God. It's great to meet you.
Well, you're a local man here. What do you think of this flat, tell me?
Out in the south. Find the speech to the job.
Is it? And what's the music like?
Couldn't be better. Couldn't be better. Is he not for this as well?
He's not, no.
Huh?
Did you ever go to a flag hall before?
Not over the same yes.
No?
So it would be allowed either for any year. We're only quite home.
Is that right?
Yeah.
I'm disappointed, really.
Are you? Why?
I thought there were more groups on the streets, more traditional music.
Yeah.
Yes, that was a lot of that the last time.
That's not there at all.
The groups, you know, around the street, like.
Yeah.
Are you disappointed yourself?
No, not a bit.
Yeah.
Of course. It's very good, actually. Very good. Shouldn't be better.
I know, it's very...
Yes, it's full of the taking it. I'm not taking your ring all
My husband's out there,
how's the concertina selling going?
Well, I'm not selling any. I've just brought a few along to display from over from England to this flower here, because I've never been to Ireland before.
But you are selling some concertinas,
One
are you?
or two for enthusiasts.
Yeah.
You know.
Now, tell me this, what type of concertinas are you selling? Are you selling the in-and-out type of concertina?
Yeah, you'll find in Ireland that the most popular concertina is the in-and-out or the push-pull or the Anglo concertina as it's usually known. All the competitions over here feature Anglo concertina players. But over in England, the big revival of interest in the concertina features the English concertina, which has got the same notes in and out.
Well, judging by the license plate of your van, you've come a long distance. Where are you from?
Well, I drove up from Derby in the centre of England yesterday morning. It's my first trip to Ireland, and so many of my friends over in England were coming to the farm that I thought I'd better come to see what it was all about.
Well, what is it all about? What do you think?
Splendid, splendid. If only the folk festivals in England were like this, it would be smashing. Yeah.
I see.
Excuse me, the police want me.
Well, has they decided what
The police seem to have finished with it. They want me to clear off because they don't like concertinas anyway.
Yeah, well, he's not going to buy one anyway.
No, surely he's not. Anyway, it's really great to be here, you know, and I know there's a lot of concertina players come to the flower, mainly from County Clare, and I hope to meet a lot of them and listen to their music. You know.